Hey guys, remember my nerf review? Well, I'm going to give a more detailed review of my favorite gun. Hey, look, I found this up. So yeah, just give me a minute to take it apart. And yeah. No, guys. Okay, there we go. Works. Okay, there we go, guys. So, as you know, I have the Retaliator, my favorite gun. Sometimes it'll watch. Okay. See? And I'm putting my finger. There. Okay, yay. Anyways, so that's the Retaliator itself. It's got the little hingy thing to unjam it, impact, stock case. And then next, we put in this. Now it's got the barrel and everything. Bam, bam. Like the barrel. Love it, actually. Like the barrel. Okay, yeah, that's the barrel. See, I did some coloring on it. For the fun of it. And then I guess we can put on... Oh, wait, no, I know something. Wait a minute, guys. Here's the original stock. Hey, sorry, guys. Here is the original stock of the Retaliator. And, that's what it looks like with the original stock. And then, let me get something else. Actually, guys, I'm gonna come with this. We're gonna go on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Flying to, oh, hey, look, my mom's home. The sky's little lines so exciting. Cheap and cheesy theme song. Where's the 12-round ammo tank? Uh-oh. No. I'm getting my way from there. Okay. So, it's not there. It's here, no. Well, you can't find it. Whatever. But, imagine one of those 12-round ammo packs. Along with, gotta clean up my trash. Starting along with, here it is. Flying through the sky. Okay. So imagine a 12-round ammo pack along with this little handle on here. That would be the Retaliator. But take these off, and I got some new things also. Hi, Mom. And you got this little scope. That's new. This little laser. Good. And then you got this little ammo pack. Yeah, ammo pack. And then you got the stock. Guys, this is my new and improved Retaliator. Love it. It's got the little laser. The laser actually works. Wheel. Almost sniper. As you guys know, it already has that thingy. Okay, I'm a sniper. I'm a snipe y'all. Okay. And of course, do that. This kind of sometimes very annoying. Okay. Did that even hit you guys? If so, say it did. If not, say it didn't. I love this gun. It's my favorite gun. Just because I like all the modifications, because all the rest of my guns can't really have all these mods. This is like the only gun that can have this many modifications, like stuff like this. The Rampage can. Well, I mean, the Rampage can have all this stuff, but it doesn't look quite as cool. Actually, no, it can't. Okay. It would have to be missing the laser. But other than that, I got this nice grip. This nice stock. I use this stock instead of my Retaliator. I use it for the Rampage, and I don't do anything with this handle. So yeah. I mean, I might every now and then I switch to my little laser for the handle, but not that often. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and bye guys.